Hello friends, in this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to upload image in CKEDITOR using PHP. We all know CKEDITOR is a widely used HTML editor in most of the website. If you have make dynamic web application in which you want to upload image. By default, if we have used CKEDITOR as our text editor, then in which if you want to add image, then only have to add only already upload image link for view image in CKEDITOR. But, here we will enable image upload button, for upload image from local computer into website folder, which we can view under CKEDITOR. Here we will use PHP Script for upload image. Now let's start discussing this topic. So here this is our working folder, in which we have only two files like index.php and upload.php. First we have open index.php file. In this file we have already included jQuery and Bootstrap library link, and here we have also include CKEDITOR JavaScript library also, for use CKEDITOR on this page. Now we have defined one text area field, with attribute name and ID is equal to content, and class is equal to CKEDITOR. This class will identify CKEDITOR library for convert this text area field to text editor. Friends, here we can see when page has been loaded into browser, then we can see text area field has been converted into text editor using CKEDITOR. Here we can see image, for add image into text editor content, so here we can see only two tabs like image info, and link. In image info we have to provide uploaded image link for add image into text editor. But here we want to enable upload tab. By using upload tab, we can select image from our local computer, and upload into server. For this, we have go to index.php, and here we have go to JavaScript, and here we have write CKEDITOR class with replace method, and under this method we have write text area field ID. This code will replace text area field with text editor when page has been loaded into browser. Under this we have add height option, set to 300, it will set CKEDITOR image dialog box height. After this, we have add one more option like file browser upload URL, with upload.php file. By adding this option, it will enable upload button tab in image dialog box. Here we have send upload image request to this upload.php, when we have select image then, it will send request to this upload.php file. Friends, here first we have refresh web page. After refresh of page, now we have click on image toolbar. After click image dialog box has been pop up on web page. Here we can see upload tab. Now we have click on upload tab. So here we can see file select input tag, with send file to server button. After selecting file, and click on button, then it will send request to upload.php script, for upload image. Now we have moved to write PHP script, so we have go to upload.php, and here we have write if statement, and under condition we have write, is set function. Under this function we have write $files upload name variable. If this variable value is set, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write $file variable is equal to $files upload variable with temporary name index. Here we have store selected file temporary name information under this $file variable. After this, we have write $file name variable is equal to $files upload variable with name index. Here we have store select file name details under this $file name variable. Now, we have write $file name array variable is equal to explode function with 2 argument. In first argument we have write .string delimiter, and in second argument we have write $file name variable. Here we have convert file name variable value into array, with string delimiter dot. Below this, we have write $extension variable is equal to end function with $file name array variable. This function will return last index from array, which will be extension of file, which we have store under $extension variable. Now we have write $new image name variable is equal to random function $extension variable. Here we have create new file name by using PHP random function. After this we have write change mod function with 2 argument. In first argument we have write upload function name, and in second argument we have write 0, 7, 7, 7. This function will allowed write permission on upload folder. Below this, we have write $allowed extension variable is equal to array, and in this array we have defined which image extension files are allowed for upload. Now we have write if statement, and under condition we have write in array function with 2 argument. In first argument we have write $extension variable, and in second argument we have write $allowed extension variable. This condition will check if selected file extension exists in $allowed extension variable, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write move uploaded file function with 2 argument. In first argument we have write $file variable, and in second argument we have write upload folder name / new image name variable. This function will upload selected file under upload folder. After uploading file, we have send uploaded file back to CKEDITOR. For this first we have write $function number variable is equal to $get CKEDITOR function number. Here we have store this function number under this variable, which has been get from get request. After this, we have write $URL variable is equal to upload folder name / $new image name variable. Here we have store uploaded image link under this variable. Below this, we have write $message variable is equal to blank value. For get response back to CKEDITOR, here we have write echo statement with script type is equal to JavaScript. Under this script, we have write window .parent .CKEDITOR .tools .call function with 3 argument like $function number, $URL, and $message variable. This script will give return back response to CKEDITOR with uploaded image URL, and after called this script, CKEDITOR Image dialog box will pop up on web page with uploaded image. Now friends, we have check output in browser. Friends, first we have refresh page. After refresh of web page, now we want to upload image from our local computer by using CKEDITOR. So we have click on image option. After click on image tool, image dialog box has been pop up on web page. For upload image, here we can see upload tab, so we have click on upload tab. After click on upload tab, in dialog box we can see input file tag with button under this tab. Now we have select image from our local computer. After selecting image, we have click on send it to server button. After click on button, image has been uploaded, which we can see here in dialog box. Now we have check path of this image. So, here we can see image path. Here we can see image has been viewed from upload folder. That means image has been uploaded. New, we want to add image into text editor, so we have click on OK button. After click on OK button, image has been added into text editor. Here we can use image as per our requirement. So this is complete process of upload image in CKEDITOR by using PHP Script. If you have any query or input regarding this video tutorial, please comment your query or input in comment box, or if you like this video tutorial, please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. If you want to get more update regarding our video tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel for get more update regarding release of future video. Lastly, keep watching our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.